this out. I'm going to fit this. Oops. Your amp and voltmeter. Put that on there. There it is. Oh. Put that there. It tells us the current and the voltage. Let's get going. Alright, let's put the hole in it. Put the hole through. Put the plate in. It's a bit loose, but I'll fasten it up with some hot glue. Now we've got the wires. This is for the current. And this is just the voltage. Voltage for the meter and the volt sensor for the voltage. Yeah. So that fits in there nice. Just got to put it all back together now. Put it all back together. This power supply was built in, when was this built? 1985. This power supply, my dad built this in 1985. I used to use it for the CB radio. And now, 35 years later, just made this mod. I've already changed this blue. 2N3773, but no, it's just I'll just get all this connected up to the voltmeter at the front there, and then do the last bit. Right, next thing is to wire it up according to this. Basically, I don't think it's 10 amps, so we won't need the shunt on this one. And it's a diagram, so we've just got to connect that up now. That's it. And then that's the job done. Put it back together. I'll put an earth pin on there as well. I don't know if it makes much difference, but it will eliminate a bit of noise. Check it out once it's done. Powered up. I think the red is, the volts is red and the amps comes in blue, so once it's all connected, we'll see how it goes. See what it comes out like. Right, we're all done and soldered up now. Soldered in, that's the current sensing wire. Oh, that's the current sensing wire there, and you've got the voltage sensing plug underneath. Basically come off of that power transistor there. Yeah, put it all back together. That's a bit, I need a spacer on there to space that out, but yeah, it's looking alright so far. What we got here? It's quite light. Not put a lid on it yet, but yeah, everything's all back to normal, nice and safe. It's all protected. That's basically the smoothing capacitor there. Smoothing capacitor, the resistor. It goes into the base, that smaller transistor, the BYF. Into the base of the 2N3773, which is that one there. Yeah, just a little power supply really, 13.8, 13. Right, yeah, it's all finished now. Basically, put the small volt and amp meter on the front there. Cut a hole in the aluminium, just used a little handy saw. That was just alley there. There's a possum neck for the banana plugs. And inside, you got your thing. We don't need a shunt because I think it's under 10 amps, so that's not a problem. There's the 2N. Oops, keep forgetting it's powered up. There's the 2N. 3733. Yeah, basically it's all connected back up now. I'll show a better video representation of the thing without it flashing. Turn that on. There we go. Got 13.9 volts. That may need to be calibrated, but there's no load on it yet, so we've not got any amps, which I'm going to go and test in a minute. I'll put a load on that and see if we can see that vary when I key up. I might, but yeah, it's almost done. Once that's done, yeah, this is 35 years old, this transformer, homemade. Nice and smooth. I tested it on the oscilloscope as well, so it's all good. Got a fuse there at the back. It's a 5 amp fuse, but yeah, we're going to put it under load and see what we get on the amp meter now. Right, I managed to get this connected up to an effective load. Yeah, it's plugged into it. There's a small CB2781 UK FM radio. And I'm just going to key up. At the moment, you can see it's under load. It's drawing 200 milliamps. So what I'll do is I'll key up. I've got a little burner on here, 25 watts, so it's quite considerable the change in. So if I key up now, here we go. We get 2.4 amps on a key up. That's with the little burner. I'll turn the burner off. Oh, come on, focus. That's it. And then give it a little key up without the burner, and that's it. Just plain with a CB on its own. A little FM CB, you're getting just under an amp, 980 milliamps. Unkey, that'll drop back down to 190 milliamps. Just a residual drain on it, whilst it's just sitting there receiving. But no, that's good. That looks like it seems to be working. Let's put the amp back on again, and then key up. Go. That's it. 2.36. Good. That's that done. So quite happy with that. It's an old, basically linear transformer, power supply unit. It's good. I mean, everything's switch mode now, so this is a bit old fashioned, but it does the job. Be interested to see how much current the actual PSU draws whilst it's just sitting there idle with no load. That'd be interesting. But no, that's serving a purpose now, and then I know exactly what's going on. And I notice as well, when I turn it off, it hangs a bit. Oh no, oh, it's because the thing was connected. When you've got nothing connected on it. There we go. Zero load, turn the thing on. There we go. 200 milliamps. Turn it off. Turn it off. And it takes a little while, that's it. Just taking the drain from that capacitor and finishing it off. Yeah, good. I'm happy with that. I'm pleased. I'm pleased. That's actually worked well. And I've got another spare one of these. These are actually £2. £2.08 from Banggood. And it just made a nice little finishing touch to an old, like I say, my dad built this 35 years ago for me, for use with a CB. I've had to repair it since. Something must have got shorted out, but now we've got the it's kind of been brought up to sort of modern day, and it's lovely and smooth. I tested that on the oscilloscope and it's good. So until next time, the PSU is finished.